I'm a fitness instructor. I've just qualified, so I was studying at Cardiff and Vale College. I'm a mum of 2 girls as well, so that was hard trying to juggle being a mum and studying. There was a bit of reluctance from my tutors. They weren't sure because of my disability. So I'm teaching spin classes at the moment and strength classes at Channelview Leisure Centre. I'm taking the class, I'm trying to motivate them, I'm shouting out the instructions, I'm demonstrating what I want them to do. I have an assistant when I'm doing my job who kind of is my eyes, but doing the exercises, designing the programme, designing the classes, that's all what I do. My tutor now, he's happy to admit, he said totally changed his mind on how he views other students with disabilities or other sort of barriers coming in, to hopefully maybe not sort of judge them off the bat and think, oh, they probably can't do this.
I work for Group Housing Association, and we have a sister company, Millbay Homes. They build houses for market sale. Any profits that they make is then gift aided back to the ATEB Association. I've been a learner all my life. When the opportunity came to do the Chwarae course, it seemed like just what I needed. I've learned so very much that I've been able to use, not just in my work life, but in my, in my private life, in my personal life as well. Time was my biggest barrier. I support my parents. My mum is virtually housebound, so trying to fit in Chwarae and working full time was, a bit of a task, but well worth it, very well worth it in the end, I am absolutely blown away by the fact that I've been nominated, to be honest. I don't really understand why I'm here. I don't understand why people find me inspiring, because I don't think that I am particularly inspiring. I am what I am. This is the way that I was created. And so I'm very grateful for that,
I left comprehensive school with no GCSEs. I suffered quite dramatically. I'm quite dyslexic. So I started off as a cleaning operative myself. And then it was the gamble that I needed to go back to my previous employment or take the plunge and go higher up the ladder. And I did. And that's how I came across Chwarae then. It was quite difficult coming back into the educational sector of things. I've learned so much, even about myself personally. My confidence has grown dramatically. I now have the knowledge and the experience to lead and manage a team, and it's just phenomenal. I wouldn't have necessarily have jumped into any sort of course or training that included any sort of educational purposes. But now I feel that I can do anything and accomplish anything after taking part in this. I wanted to really knuckle down and get through it. So I think they maybe obviously noticed my dedication and my hard work. So yeah, I think that's why I've been nominated.
I started doing an Open University degree remotely after I had my youngest child. So I used to wait for the children to go to bed so that I could study till the early hours, and just get it done, just one way or another, just make sure I got the work done. I was nominated, I think, for qualifying in the pandemic, sitting my final exams while the children were being homeschooled and working full time, doing that 80-mile round trip every day to work. So I've got one final piece of work to submit to get my master's in law. I've done nearly 8 years study. 7 of those years I've been working full time as well. It's been a challenge, but I've got there in the end. I think if you want to change a career, there's so many opportunities out there now for people to do it. It's not a case of going and doing your A-levels and going straight to university and then that ship's sailed. There's so many other options now that people can do. And I'm an example. If you want to do it, there's no reason why you can't.